Hare Krishna friends. Today I am going to tell you a story about an elephant and the 6 blind men. Moral story. By Manoj Publications and retold by Darsh. In a village, there lived 6 illiterate blind men together. One day, they had heated argument over how the elephant looked like. They decided to feel it before deciding. Very next day, they reached the temple to feel the elephant. Temple priest was also there. They decided to touch the elephant one by one. The first blind man declared, after touching the belly of the elephant, it is like a hard, rough, plastered wall. The second blind man touched the neck of elephant and declared, elephant is just like a roller. After touching the elephant tail, the third blind shouted, both of you lie. The elephant is very much like a rope. Now the fourth blind man moved forward to feel the elephant. The priest was smiling and eager to know the opinion of the rest. Fourth blind man touched the curled trunk and declared that the elephant resembles a python. Now the turn was for the fifth blind man. It was hard for the priest to control his laughter. The fifth blind man touched the ear of the elephant and said, no, it looks like a fan. Now it was turn of the last blind man. Now you are the last one. Go and see how elephant looks like. Sixth blind man yelled, now I shall have the last word on how elephant looks like. After touching the elephant leg, he said, you all are wrong. Elephant looks like a pillar. Now the priest laughed loudly. Priest sir, why are you laughing? One of the blind men asked, surprised. Friends, your imaginations about the elephant are wrong, said the priest. Priest told them about the parts of the body of the elephant so they could imagine the right picture of the elephant. Moral: when there are different opinions on a subject, give due consideration to opinion of others also. Thanks for watching. Have a Christmas.